Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to deal with how we can construct the deep excavation in PLAXIS 2D. If it is your first time, please hit the subscription button and don't forget to share this video to your friends who really want to study how to construct a deep excavation, especially in sand soil or another type of soil. This video is full guidance of how you can construct deep excavation from scratch, from starting point, step by step, up to the end. We are going to use this sheet. This is a top sand. This is a material properties that you are going to use, and materials are arranged in this form, like this one. After the end in the PLAXIS 2D, and after all, we should apply anchor bars, should apply plates, we should apply grout body or jaw grid. We should also create node anchors. We should also apply the lines, and also after that we should do mesh. Then after doing mesh, should go stage the construction in phases, and after that we should get output, the deformation stresses, anchor forces, and safety factors. So then what we're going to do first, we're going to sign our title of a project. It's called the deep excavation tutorial 3. Next, here nothing to change, but here the x minimum should be equal to 0, y maximum should be x minimum should be equal to 200, then y minimum should be equal to negative 55, and then maximum should be equal 0. Yes. Then after that, we're going to assign our material, creating a borehole, which where we're going to assign there's materials, sand, top sand, middle sand, lower sand, deep sand, and deep sand too. So we should come here and create a borehole. A borehole should start yes, a borehole should start from, should create different boreholes, should start from, yes, we should assign the parameters as usual, as you have seen here. The properties and the materials are arranged in this form. There's 5 layers arranged in this methodology. That's why you have seen it. And also the head hydraulic conductivity, or the groundwater table, is at 55 meter below the ground level, or at the base of the profile. So the groundwater is at negative 55 below the tip, below the surface. And what you're going to do, we're going to assign this soil parameters. I have been create the soil properties in my boundary, in my library. So in order to make things easier and avoid wasting time. So what you're going to do is to assign those properties into our soil polygon. This one is top sand, the next one is middle sand, the next one is lower sand, and the other one is deep sand 1, and the other one deep sand 2. The soil have This soil have these properties, as I have showed you, have these properties. Yeah, the top sand have these properties, middle sand, lower sand, deep sand too. I have assigned these properties. And now what we are going to do, we are going to create to define excavation and structural element. In the structural element, we're going to use plates, anchor bars, and geogrid or geogrid. We have face shape like this one, as it is also shown in our document. So next, what we're going to do, we're going to deal with how we are going to insert in the structure for column. We're going to insert plates. Our plates, according to our document, our plates start, the first plate is at 70 and 70 to negative 35. 70 up to negative 70 and 25. It's been 70 and 0 and 70 to negative 35. Good. That's the first plate. The next plate is at 105 and 0 and 105 and 35 negative. 105 and 0 and 105 and negative 25. Negative 25. Good. Now we are done with plates. We are done with plates. Then what we're going to do, we should assign the plates if we want first, no problem. But plates, I have also created the plates area in order to make things easier or to avoid the wasting the time. Diaphragm have been created them. So the plates material also have been given in our document. This is a plate material that should be inserted. We are going to create plate which have these properties. After that, after installation, we are going to create node-to-node anchors at these positions. Node-to-node anchors. Node-to-node anchors. The first anchor is at 70 and negative 5. 70 and negative 5. And let's put this one to 26. 70 and 70 and negative 24. This should be also too much. Negative 20. Too much. This one to 20 and that 20 and 70. Oh no, negative 70. No. Should be negative 70. Yes, let's use this one as our first anchor bars. Then next, what we're going to do next, we are also going to add the next one. The next one here is located at also 150 and negative 5, which is here. And at, if you check, If we check for the next one on another side, it is at 105 and 139 and 20. 139 and 20. 139 and -20. Good. Then what we are going to do here next, we are going to assign our glute. The glutes have also these positions. The glute is positioned at this position. The first is the 30 and 20. The glute, or we create geogrid. Let's use geogrid. Yeah, this at this position, it should be connected to this one, and to the position where we have seen lead. That's our let's use this as our first anchor, as our first, and then the next one at this position should use let's check, it is at 139 and 20, -20. 139 and -20. Yes, 139 and negative 115 and -25. 115 and -25. Yes, that is. Then what we're going to do then, we're going to copy this and this. But first, then what we're going to do now, we're going to, in order to make things easier, we're going to copy this and make array, create array in y direction. As we have seen, we need three lines. We need -10 meter to make things so easy, as it is seen in this positions of these anchors. So we do the same in this side. On this side, we make array in y direction. We should also need the 3 and need to do space at -10 meter. Good. Then we have shaped like this one. This is our shape we have like now. Then what we're going to do, we're going to create, as they have said in this document, we're going to create a lines that should be used in the construction phase, in the phase of construction. So we need the first 270 and -5 and 105 5 and -5, and the next one, the spacing also is the -5, as is seen. Yes, you should create a line 70 and -5. The first one should be here, this one, and you should also make array to simplify work. We need four lines spaced at -5. Then okay, this is our structure. So we are going to assign our materials. This is a plate material, diaphragm. Then this is our anchor bars and node anchor bars. Anchor bars, I have also created them in, in my shape here, this one. So I need to use them. The properties of anchor bars, also add this one, the properties of our anchor bar that we are going to use as this one. So you don't need to waste our time and design them. So we use this. Then after that, we are going to assign our anchor bars and our glute. Anchor bars, not anchors. And then we'll assign our glute material, jog grid. I think jog grid also have been created. I have also created jog grid as glute body, so I need to copy this and use this one. Glute body properties also have been given in a PDF document, have been given, so we should use them as have been given here. Glute body have these properties, so you need to in elastic behavior, so you need to use this one. So after structure, we need to assign our glute material, and then geogrid, set material, glute. Good. Now things are done. We can now continue to our mesh. The next stage is we are here. We forget to add the negative and positive interface. We should add interface, negative interface and positive interface beyond this plate. Yes, we are now here at the same page with our design. So the next one is to apply the boundary condition I've already done. Then generate mesh tab, go to mesh, we go to mesh and generate mesh as minimum, as medium. We can also refine our mesh at this stage, at this phase near the excavation, near the excavation position. So we need to refine the mesh. We need to refine the mesh of our position. So then again, the generate mesh. After that, we need to, I'm not going to need much more in this position, because we have set our global water level to be at the base of the profile. So let's meet on the next video to continue with the calculations.